Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Flat Top Noob. Hey, so today we're making something. I don't know what it's called, but we're making something. We're going to grab some ground chicken, throw it on here. Then we're actually going to season it with taco seasoning and some tequila lime before we throw it on here. And then we're going to throw some black beans in here. And then we're going to throw some corn in here, mix it all up, throw it into the little street taco tortilla shells, then throw some queso on it, wrap it, and then deep fry it. Come with me. All right, I'm going to take some of the El Paso taco seasoning. I love this stuff. We're going to douse cannoli out of this, if it'll come out. We're going to get this tequila chicken or tequila lime seasoning I got. I really like this stuff. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to break this in half, if it'll let me. Thing with this is it's not beef. So let's do this. Normally I throw it on the griddle and season it. I'm dousing the heck out of this with the seasoning because it will fall off when we get out there. Let's go out to the flat top and take a gander. Okay, you can see that my oil's burning off there. I'm going to do a small little bit of thing here. I'm going to lightly put a thing of avocado on here. I don't like using a lot of oil when cooking this ground chicken like this. All right, so what I'm going to do is let this stuff cook up. I'm going to chop it up as small as I can. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually throw some more taco seasoning on. Maybe if it'll cooperate. And then some more of that tequila lime. All right, I'm going to flip this. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do a halve and flip. So you got the nice golden brown. So we're going to cut this up a little bit more. Get this one flipped. All right, I'm going to put just a little bit more of that tequila lime in here. Yeah, we should be good on that seasoning part of it. I'm going to throw a little bit of water. Just a little bit. A little bit of water again. Now I'm going to throw my black beans in there. Throw the black beans in there. Gotta have the black beans. Start to sound like Forrest Gump.
My name's Forrest Gump.
Ooh, that's smelling so good. Oh yeah. Got some beans getting away. Get the black beans all mixed up together like so. Let's throw some corn in this. Let's throw some corn in this turd. There's some corn in the turd, all right. So we're going to mix this all up together. So that corn ain't as yellow. No, I'm just eyeballing it, so don't ask me in the comments how much, because I have no idea. You just got this all mixed up like so. Now I will tell you, it's a pound of ground beef, and how much is the black beans? It's 15 1/4 ounce of black beans. So, but I can't tell you how much seasoning I put on there. Can't tell you how much water I doused it with. Now we're going to throw this in this bowl and go ahead and let it rest. Now it's time to start putting these things together. Got my tortilla shells all steamed up, and we're going to start adding this stuff here. It's just a little bit. I probably made way too much. Let's try to not make a mess. I may have to get a bigger spoon. And we're going to fold them up the best we can. Throw them on the pan. Try to roll these things as tight as you can. All right, I'm going to do up the rest of them, and we'll come back when it's done. This is the last one. I wanted to put some pico in here, but apparently there's a pico shortage or something, and I didn't have the stuff to make the pico. Nor do I really have the time to do that today. We'll get these in the fridge, put them in there for, I don't know, an hour or so, and then we're going to shallow fry them. Boy, is it windy out here. I'm going to try to attempt to cook it on here, but that wind is just blowing hard. We're going to get this temperature up to about 350. Now that we've got the temperature down, we're going to go ahead and throw 2 in here. Not a little splatter. See, that's why you always go ahead. Over. It don't take much. Oh yeah, it balloons up on me. Because it's tortilla shells, so tortilla shells are gonna expand like that. All right, guys, so this stuff looks really good. What I got in the center here is avocado ranch. So we're gonna take a dip, take a bite, and see what it's like. Okay, the cops were called. RG just completely and totally murdered this thing. Apparently this is really good. So what we're gonna do is fry up the rest of them. Let me know if you guys try this and tell me in the comments below whether or not you liked it or not. I think it's good. I like the avocado ranch. Thumbs up on that. So until the next one, I will see you later.